Hey everyone, tonight we're going to be checking out Universal's Mardi Gras once again. Tonight we are going to be riding one of the parade floats during Mardi Gras parade. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Happening every night during Mardi Gras, there is the Mardi Gras parade with parade floats, performers, and beads thrown around where you can catch some beads and be part of the fun. Now, if you want to be in the parade, there's actually 3 ways you can do it. Number 1 is the virtual queue, where you can do it during the day, and you can possibly get in, but there is a low % chance of actually getting into this. Then there's also going to be the Ride and Dine package. This is a guaranteed way to be able to participate in the parade, where you can throw beads and even dine at one of the restaurants, whether that's in City Walk or in Universal Studios Florida. And we are now officially checked in, where we'll have to be back in theater by 5:15. Check-in will start at Animal Actors on Location Theater at 4:15, or really an hour and 45 minutes before your parade time, which tonight it is going to be at 6 o'clock. So we do need to be there by 4:15, but if anything, it will take 2-3 hours for this entire experience. Also, if you're trying to watch a concert as well on concert night, then there's a good chance you may be missing on the first part of the concert. So definitely better to plan in advance. But when it comes to this whole experience, all riders must wear the crew costume in order to participate in the parade. This is the colorful smock that goes over your clothes, and as soon as you check in, you'll have to sign a waiver and you'll have to get your wristband right here, and afterwards you'll get your crew costume, and then you'll be assigned to a float given your wristband and crew costume. Another thing too, large groups may be split onto different floats. Riders must be at least 48 inches tall in order to participate in this float riding experience. Riders under age of 18 must have a parent or guardian with them, and floats are assigned at random prior to check-in, and floats can accommodate standard manual wheelchair. So let's go ahead and ride the Mardi Gras parade. everyone, that is going to be a wrap on our adventure here at Universal Studios Florida for Mardi Gras. I had so much fun tonight and it was amazing. Definitely worth doing if you want a unique experience here at Universal and if you have seen the Mardi Gras parade. But if you haven't yet, then definitely worth watching the parade first, then riding the actual parade. But now, let me know in the comments down below, are you planning on visiting Universal during Mardi Gras? I would love to know. And if you want to help support the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow for more. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.